ऐसे मोहम्मद रशीद अखें को मजूर बंदा है। ऐसे दरखास्त आई दित्यान अपने उनके खिलाफ रिश्तेदारों के खिलाफ के
सेशन जज की हरासमेंट की
सेशन
बुलाई गढ़पुंदन परवे न कराना
दरखास्त आई है कि ये अखी को मजूर है इन्हें जो रिश्तेदार के एक वादयान कि भी तू ज़मीन बेच अपनी
यार तू पढ़ता क्या मुझे पढ़ता क्या
Data respondents number 4 to 11 are close relatives of the petitioner and the parties are the residents of same locality. That the land was allotted in inheritance to these mother, namely Mrs. Bahar, my wife of Abdul Karim. The respondents number 4 to 11 started putting pressure upon the mother of the petitioner to sell her inherited land to them on cheapest rate, but the petitioner did not allow the respondents to fulfill their wish, upon which the respondents number 4 to 11 became enraged and started harassing the petitioner with different pretexts and also started giving him threats in order to provide him financial and physical loss. That the respondents number 4 to 8 acting upon their threat come on 8/9/2012 forcibly fastened the petitioner put him in Nadala and handed over him to the SHO B Division. DG Khan, who registered a false and baseless case of FIR number 176/2012 under section 9B. The petitioner remained for a considerable long time in the jail. The case is now pending trial in the Session Court. Dera Ghazi Khan. Copy of the FIR is enclosed here with annexure for kind personal pleas. That later on, petitioner submitted an application to the regional police officer Dera Ghazi Khan against respondent number 4 to 8 for conducting inquiry in a case of FIR 176/2012, upon which a case of FIR number 209/2013 date 5/6/2000 under section 342/379/411 PPC was registered against them at police station Sadar, Jampur district, Rajanpur. Copy of the FIR is enclosed here with as annexure B to for kind. That later, due to registration of case against them, the respondent number 4 to 8 in furtherance of their common intention cut the valuable trees from the land of the petitioner, upon which petitioner got registered a case of FIR 416/2013 under section 379 PPC on the 3 December 2000. The copy of the FIR is enclosed here with C for kind personal police. That the petition transferred or inherited share of land and the petitioner and his mother, but respondents number 9 to 11 in compliance with the revenue field staff fraudulently got transferred her side in inherited area of land in their names. The petitioner them filed a civil suit against respondent number 9 to 11, which is pending in the court of law and civil judge Jampur for trial. Copy of the suit is enclosed here with D for kind partial. That the response number 411 in accordance with respondent number 1 to 3 are giving false and baseless applications to the respondent number 1 to 3 who are illegally putting pressure and harassing the petitioner to withdraw civil and criminal case registered by him against our respondents number 4 to 11. The respondents number 1 to 3 have made the life of the petitioner miserable. At the instance respond number 9 to 11. They illegally keep the petition in the police station. That there were no alternate efficient and speedy
पूरा पढ़ें पूरा पूरा
and in a view of above facts and circumstances, it is not humbly prayed that this petitioner of the very may gracefully be expected
पूरा पढ़ें
be expected with the order which is his honorable court deems fit may also kindly be granted to the petitioner. Multan Malik Rasul Bakhsh Khan Pahocha, Advocate High Court District Courts Dera Ghazi Khan, certified that as per instructions from first with right petition of harassment before this is honorable court. The advocate thus humble petitioner certificate.